Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your NAVITEL 787. So in the first step we have to open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax. Add the permissions to the camera and to the files. Now tap on the plus. And choose source of your document. Okay, I need to take the photo because I don't have anything in my gallery. Now you can add just a shape to the document. If you are ready, click arrow. You can choose filter for your photo to make it more visible. You can also add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept. Now type the number in this place, choose a country from the list, and just click on this button. Get your free credits or buy it, and that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment and goodbye.